And this is the second workflow that I'm gonna demonstrate now. We have a form submission where we can put a post idea for LinkedIn or JSON code. We're gonna try, I'm gonna demonstrate both ways to you. Let's make a post idea. For example, I want to post and advertise my Muro-AI free school community, which is for AI automation for full beginners, and call everyone who wants to learn to join. And that's it. I can submit it straight away. And when I submit it, the form is submitted. It's going to create a post according to my request. Then it's going to go create an image prompt. And from workflow 1, you know that with Together AI API, we can create an image for our post. It's going to convert the image to file, and it's going to create the post for LinkedIn. Here we are creating an image prompt for our post. This is going to be the first demonstration. It's creating the image, creating the post, and it's done. And let's check my LinkedIn now. This is my latest post. And this is the post that it has created. This is a test post because I have put it this way here. This is why. Otherwise, these are the captions. Stuck trying to automate your work? You are not alone. Most beginners feel overwhelmed by AI, too technical, too confusing, and extent. I built Muro-AI free school for you. Learn AI automations, their experience, everything. Who is this for? Impact. Why this works? One small thing. Ready to start. Come and join, and I'll send you the link every time it makes the post like this. So when people comment, it will ensure that you're gonna have engagement in your post. And when they post, or here, look, it says insert school community link, we can adjust it from inside this post creator to not use this type of placeholders, or you can use it for your business. For example, here on the post creator, we can say our business is this, and use these links for all of our posts. And it's gonna be straight away using the links here. And this is the image that is generated. It's really good, showing AI robotics with a human face, and it's really good quality. And it's completely for free. Okay, let's test the second part of the workflow, which is going to be uploading JSON. And this is really good for you. For example, if you're building every week some type of new workflow, or even if you can use templates, and you can put the full JSON of the workflow here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this workflow, just mark everything and control copy, and go to the JSON here and paste it. And it's gonna paste the full JSON. And when we submit it, this post creator is gonna analyze the JSON, and it's gonna know what kind of workflow is it, and who is this for, this workflow, how it can help them, and straight away it's gonna create the offer of the workflow, and it will make it a post. It will make an image for this workflow, and it will post it. For example, if you are building 2 workflows per week, straight away you paste in your JSON, and directly you have your LinkedIn post ready for this workflow, and it's aiming for specific people that would want this workflow, for example, from you to build it for them, and etc. Let's see now what kind of post is going to create and what image prompt we're going to have, and see the post. Even we have a reaction to our post. Okay, the second post is created as well. And let's see what is our second post that our automation has created. This is a test post again. Okay, struggling to keep with repetitive tasks. Imagine a world where your workflow run themselves so you can focus on truly what matters. What this automation does: instantly transforms raw data into polished LinkedIn posts, handle formatting, structure, and even visual prompts for images, save hours for manual writing and editing, ensure consistency and professionalism. Who benefits? These stars and formatting, we can adjust them from the system prompt of the post creator, so do not worry about them. We can say to use more emojis, or we can say do not use any emojis, or use only, for example, hyphens for bullet points, an example. And you can see what this automation does, everything. Who it benefits: service businesses, founders who need to maintain an active LinkedIn, agencies with multiple client accounts, impact numbers, save 6 to 10 hours per month content engaging. Why it's better? No more staring at blank screens and last minute rushes. Posts are always on brand and professional, frees up mental saves. And one small consideration: needs a one-time setup of your branding guidelines, then it's fully automatic. Want this done for you, and here this is the email. And when they click the email, straight away it goes and it drafts an email for them to my email, LinkedIn post automation. Hi Gunnar, I'm interested in this automation. Here are my details, and they can just put their details and send it. And that's it. And this is the image, a business image 2025. And when you scroll and see this type of image, even if it's an animation, it's really good with colors and like adjustment and etc. So it can stop scrolling for people. We can see, I'm gonna leave this post. They will know that this is a test post, but anyway, I'm gonna leave this post on my profile today. So yeah, they can see straight away. It's really good. You can adjust it. You can adjust the image prompt as well to not be an animation characters and etc. They can be like real humans, but I see that this model, which is Fluxional free, is really good with animations and this type of images and depth. And for example, if you're generating text, maximum 2 words. 2 words of text is good. And this is it. And there is one more way how you can use this workflow, but I'm gonna show it in the setup video that you can watch. The link is gonna be in the description. Just this workflow can be like a convert to sub workflow, and if you convert it, it's gonna be just image generation. And when you confirm, and that's it, this will be your workflow. And here, this image generation is gonna have output post text and output, which is gonna be from here. These are gonna be workflow inputs, and you can connect it to every post creator, for example, for Facebook, Instagram, and etc. And it's gonna generate the image and post it. And it post it to the platform. But now let's make it back, because I have included the LinkedIn poster here as well. So we can just make this part to sub workflow. And that's it, as I have it here. Because this is straight away connected to workflow 1 that you can see from the previous video. And that's it. Let's make one more post. Something, I don't know, more interesting even. Let's put our next example that I'm gonna include. It's a Google Maps scraper, which scrapes businesses and etc. And it's a big one. So let's Control A and copy this. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna come here, and on the JSON, I will paste the full JSON code. And let's submit it and see what type of post is gonna create. And why I'm using Mistral and why I'm using this when I have Nano Banana, for example, or GPT, and here I can use OpenAI or Google. Because I had a lot of requests from community and other people that were emailing me and asking me how we can make them, because we are beginners and we don't have money to spend and etc. So can the workflow be free and stuff? Yes, it can be free, and this is free right now. This is completely free posting to LinkedIn. And the first workflow that I showed in the previous video is completely free again. Okay, there are more people reacting to these posts. And this is the second one. And you can see fingers and everything are good. Let's see now. Stop wasting hours hunting for leads manually. This automation does it for you in minutes. Submit a business type and location. You see, I didn't write anything. Just pasted this JSON, the full JSON. Submit business type and location and get ready to use outreach list with emails, phone numbers, personalized cold email drafts, all while you focus on closing deals. This is a really good hook and starting point of the post. Turn a simple form submission accountants in London in 100 plus hyper targeted leads. Scrape Google Maps for business details. Extract emails. Uses AI to draft personalized cold emails, no generic templates. Delivers everything in Google Sheet ready for outreach. Who benefits? Agency needing fresh leads every day. Founders who want to scale outreach. Sales teams. Impact saves 10 to 20 hours per month per user. No more copy and pasting. Reduces lead research by time. This generates 50 to 500 qualified leads per search. And why it's better? No third-party APIs. It uses Google Maps directly, so it uses Google Places API, which is the legal one. AI-powered personalization. Email sounds human, not robotic. It really sounds. You're gonna see on the next video. Fully automated. Submit once, get results in your inbox. Error-free, no duplicates, no outdated contacts. And one small thing, needs a Google AI API key. Free setup, one time. After that, pure automation. Want this done for you, and again, when they click the link, it's not LinkedIn automation. Now it's lead scraping and outreach automation request. Hi Gunai, I'm interested in this automation. My business, hours to save per month, thanks. And that's it. And this image is good as well. And you can, for example, edit this post and add, I don't know, more image or add something more and etc. The only thing that I see now in this posting can be edited are these stars and these big dashes. And that's it. But you can edit it. You can edit it anyway. Just fill this post creator with your business details and it will create really good posts for free. This is a good starting point. So it can show straight away what businesses can benefit and what type of automations you are building. And that's it. And one more tip just before finishing this demo. On this form, you can go to n8n.io. You can go to templates. That just any template, use for free. Copy, come here, execute, paste the JSON and submit. You didn't build this workflow, so you just copied it. It's gonna create a post for it. And just save this workflow that you will know. Okay. It is here now. Rack workflow for company document starts in Google Drive. Okay. I don't know what we can do and how can I post it and how can I offer it to companies. You saw now in 1 minute. I just pasted the JSON. Now I'm saving this and just setting up, but you have to know how to set it up. Create a post. And let's see now. Okay, this one is messed up a bit, but it's okay. Drowning in employee questions about company policies. What if HR team could answer 80% of them instantly without lifting a finger? This automation turns your Google Drive documents into a self-service HR assistant. Answers employee questions AI, updates automatically whenever, edit files in Google Drive, handles everything PTO policies and onboarding FAQs, who benefits, impacts, why it's better. One small consideration, need a one-time setup to connect Google Drive and your documents. After that, fully automatic. Want this for you? We can click again and HR document chatbot automation request. That's it. We are connecting all of these things for our client who wants it. And that's it. And straight away you can see people are reacting, liking them, because they see it's a test post. But anyway, I mean that we have impressions, so it depends on what is going to be written here, like what kind of keywords and examples. Even if you want, you can tell the post creator to include hashtags as well, or some more links. And that's it. This is how you can use workflow 2 from our 6 workflow series. First workflow was for image generation for free. Now this is for creating posts for free from a JSON of a workflow or from a post idea that you have. And this will be it for today. If you want to download this template, now I'm gonna save it and upload it to my free school community. Link down below in the description. You can click join and download it straight away. Or if you want to see the full build and how you can build it by yourself and edit it, I'm gonna put the link of the setup video as well, and you can go and watch the setup video. So thank you very much and see you in the next video.